What are the top protein sources for both building and maintaining lean muscle mass? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you my top 10, along with my rapid fire reasoning as to why you should consume these foods. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Starting off at number 10 on the top 10 protein sources list, we have turkey breast. Turkey breast is super lean and rich in protein. It's a great source of niacin, which helps process fats and carbohydrates in your body. It's also high in the amino acid L-tryptophan, which helps promote sleep and relaxation via its effect on serotonin. Next up at number 9, we have salmon. Salmon is a fish that is high in protein and rich in the muscle-building substance creatine. It also contains high amounts of the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, which have a ton of fat-burning and health benefits associated with them. Look for salmon with the skin still intact to provide even more benefits with added flavour. Wild-caught salmon also provides more benefits and is higher in protein than farm salmon. Coming in at number 8, we have cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains high amounts of the slow-digesting protein casein, which means it will release amino acids into your system for a longer period of time than your more typical sources of protein. This makes cottage cheese the perfect pre-bedtime food for ensuring that your muscles are being fed while you're asleep. Cottage cheese will also help you with satiety, and it contains a considerable amount of the important muscle-building amino acid leucine. Along with all these benefits, cottage cheese is rich in vitamin B12, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. Sardines make the list at number 7. This high-protein fish is full of omega-3 fatty acids as well as vitamin D. Sardines are also relatively low in mercury compared to other fish, and they're also relatively easy to prepare and consume. Love them or hate them, and fish burps aside, sardines are a great source of protein. Tuna comes into the list at number 6. This fish delivers a boatload of easily digested, high-quality protein. If you consume tuna, you'll also benefit from the healthy amount of vitamin B and the potent antioxidant selenium. Tuna is also low in fat, making it a great lean protein source. Number 5 on the list is another fish called halibut. This fish is an amazing source of lean protein and other essential nutrients. It is rich in selenium, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin D, and several B vitamins such as niacin, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. The only drawback with halibut is that you can only find it in the North Pacific and North Atlantic Oceans, so supply is quite limited to many parts of the world. If you can't find halibut though, don't panic, all the other whitefish are generally great sources of protein. Eggs and egg whites make number 4 on the list. These are cheap, versatile, and packed with lots of BCAAs or branched-chain amino acids. Whole eggs produced by free-range, flaxseed-fed chickens contain loads of healthy omega-3 fatty acids as well. Yes, you need to stay away from the dirty cage eggs and chickens. To keep your fat intake in check, simply limit the amount of whole eggs and increase the amount of whites you consume. Lean beef is third on the list, and for good reason. Beef is packed with high-quality protein, but it also is a great source of iron, carnitine, carnosine, CLA, B vitamins, zinc, and selenium. And as an added bonus, beef also contains a high amount of the muscle-building substance creatine. If you're a carnivore, beef should be a staple in your diet no matter what. Skinless chicken comes in at second on my list. Chicken should be a staple food whether you're trying to build muscle or trying to burn fat. Chicken is a better protein source than other poultry cuts, and it also contains a good amount of niacin and vitamin B6, which are particularly important if you're exercising intensely. And finally at the top of my list, we have whey powder. Protein farts aside, whey protein powder is a very clean and rich source of protein and branched-chain amino acids. Another perk of whey powder is that it is very portable and very convenient. It mixes easily from anything from pancakes to smoothies. Whey protein has also been shown to have the highest digestibility and highest leucine content of all protein sources. This quick release protein is perfect for consuming around your workouts when your muscles need amino acids fast. To learn more about whey protein guidelines, check out my pre-workout nutrition video. As you may have noticed, leucine is an amino acid that came up a lot in my top 10, and this is for a very good reason. It is the most potent amino acid for stimulating muscle growth and protein synthesis. You may have noticed too that all of the protein sources I've mentioned come from animals. This is because animal sources have a higher bioavailability than plant sources and are complete proteins with all the essential amino acids present. This means that they are more easily digested and absorbed by your body, making them a better option for protein synthesis and muscle repair than their plant counterparts. I should emphasize too that although I've ranked the 10 protein sources in order of my favorites, it is important that you don't rely on just one or two of these protein sources all of the time. Instead, you should be getting a variety of these protein sources in your diet, as they all have different and differing amounts of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. If you want further help on what's been covered in this video, or you'd like a structured nutrition program built around your goals and nutritional needs, then reach out to me and my team via the details in the description to this video. That's all for now. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and remember to tune in for more of our content in the future.